All right, boys and girls, so today for math, we are almost finished. Like, we are wrapping up our chapter on graphing. And you guys have done such a good job with it, and it's been pretty easy, I think, for us to do our graphing stuff. So today we are going to do the chapter review. So I am going to do the chapter review with you on here, and then you're going to do the black and white copy on your own. So if you'll get out your your colored copy, and we are going to do it together. So get out your pencil, and anytime that you need to pause this, you just pause it for to work, but I'm just going to kind of work through it, and then you can do the stopping if you need to. All right, I'm going to get a pen to use so that I sure do wish you guys were in here with me right now. It's no fun being in here all by myself. All right, so the first thing that we have to do for the chapter review is there are a set of hands. We have, let me turn it this way. I'm going to have to keep flipping back and forth to do this. Okay, so we have, it says write the total for each set. So we have the left hand, and it's the writing hand. So this many people write with their left hand, and this many people write with their right hand. So we need to remember what we've learned about tallies. First of all, one tally mark is equal to one person. So we're going to count these, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 people are left-handed. And then this many people are right-handed, so let's count those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, 5 goes across. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 people write with their right hand. All right, the second part of this says to use the tally chart above to make a bar graph. Write the title for the bar graph. Okay, so first of all, we're going to write our title. What does this graph show us? Does this show us what's our favorite color shoes? No, that is so silly. Does it show us how you give a high five? Nope, that's silly too. It shows us which hand we write with. I write with my right hand. I bet a lot of you write with your right hand too. So we're going to write a name of our graph. The name of our graph is going to be writing hand. We're just going to write the same thing that this graph had up here. So we're going to write writing. It's hard to write with one hand and not hold my paper. Writing hand. In our best handwriting, we're going to make sure we have our small letters small and our tall letters tall, but our graph is writing hand. Now we're going to graph our information. We know that 4 people write with their left hand, so we're going to color in 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 people. Then we know that 10 were with their right hand, so we're going to color in 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now we got to answer some questions. Which hand do more students use to write? Their left or their right? That's going to be the one that has the most. So which one has the most? It would be our right hand. So we're going to circle that. How many more students prefer the right? So this is where we talked about pairs before, where we don't have like a match up. That's going to tell us how many more. So, or we could do subtraction, 10 minus 4. But some of us don't know how to do that yet because we're still learning subtraction. So I think it's easiest right now just to look and see how many of these do not have a left hand to go with it. And it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 people prefer that. Which hand do you write with, left or right? And that's where you need to circle. If you write with this hand, so here's my 2 hands. Here's my left hand because it makes like the L. And here's my right hand. It doesn't make an L. I write with my right hand. So you need to circle whatever you write with. Okay, then turn the page. Oh, my pages are stuck together. Okay. On the back side, we're going to answer some more questions. So here we have a picture graph about bugs that are collected. We have butterflies, ladybugs, praying mantis, bee, and grasshopper. And this is equal to 1 bug. So let's answer our questions. How many butterflies were collected? So we just need to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 were collected. All right, number 7. How many grasshoppers were collected? 1, 2, 3. Which kind of bug was collected the most? That means you have the most of them on your graph. What would it be? It would be the ladybugs, because we have more ladybugs than anything else. Which 2 kinds of bugs were collected each 5 times? So that means which one has 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, butterfly does.